AF 185 bound to CDG. Guys, prepare na ang mga paglalagyan. Ayan. Yan for B class. This for first class container. This is for crew bag. And the other is for B class. And the other side is for transfer bag. Ang dami nila. Yan for transfer bag. Total lahat is 10. Departing time niyan is